Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can upload or add a watermark to your YouTube videos. But before we get started, I just want to ask you, like, if this is your first time, then please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new tutorial. So with that being said, let's get started. Now as you can see, I'm already on my channel right here. So if you don't know how to go to your channel when you are on YouTube, just come to this icon up here and then click on your channel, and that should take you to your channel. Right, so now that I'm on my channel, just come to customize channel right here, and then a new tab should be opening up. Right, this new tab is open up, so make sure you are on customization. Right, so now just click on branding right here and then scroll down to video watermark. The watermark will appear on your video in the right hand corner of your video right here. Right, so an image should be 150 times 150 pixel is recommended, right, which can be a PNG, a GIF, or a PMP, or a JPEG. Right, so now you just click on upload, and then this should open up. So I'm just going to find this. I just want to use this image right here, so click on that image and then just click on open. Right, so this should open up right here, so you can zoom in, right, adjust it the way you want it. Like this one is already the size that I want it to be, so just adjust that, and then once you are done adjusting, you can just click on done, and then as you can see, it's now appearing down here. Right, so again you can set how you want it to appear. As you can see, display time, so you can adjust to customize time. You can set how far you want it to start, or when you want it to start on appearing on your video. So you can set it at 45 seconds, or you can edit to appear on entire video. I will not suggest to edit at the end of the video. I will at least choose to customize or set it at the entire video. Right, so now once you are done, you can just click on publish. Right, so it should just take a couple of seconds. As you can see, it's now published. Right, so to just take a couple of seconds to show up to your video. So now if you come back to your channel, refresh, as you can see on your video right here. Right, now once you more zoom in, this subscriber should show up. Right, so you added your watermark right there. So yeah, that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, leave us a comment down below. Now if this was your first time, then please consider subscribing and smash that notification bell so you get notified every time we upload a new tutorial. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm out.